I start my glute exercise with the difficult one. I lay down on sofa and pull my legs up. It will directly hit your glute and make it more round. I do 3 sets of 15 repetitions. If you want to add more, you can go for 5 sets. Second exercise is look-alike squat, but I made some variation in it. Put one leg on the sofa and do the squat. If you want to add more weights, it depends on your strength. Put each leg one by one and hit both the glute. 3 sets of 10 repetition. Third exercise is the hard one. Lay down on the floor and put the resistant band on your legs. Then stretch them to the max. It will hit your inner glutes as well. I do 5 sets of 10 repetitions. Fourth exercise is half squat. In this exercise you have to hold the dumbbells and go up half straight. It will connect more your glutes than legs. I do 5 sets of 15 repetitions. Fifth exercise is hitting the whole glute. Hold one dumbbell on one leg and lift it with your hip crest. It will contract more muscle. Do on both the glute. I do 3 sets of 12 repetitions. Sixth exercise is the squat. Hold the dumbbells and do the straight squats. Try to hit the dumbbell to the ground. When coming back to the top, try to contract to the glutes. I do 3 sets of 10 repetitions. Seventh exercise is slight difficult. Hold the dumbbell with your leg and try to lift up to the maximum. I do 3 sets of each leg of 12 repetitions. Eighth and last exercise is lay down on sofa and put the resistant band on legs, and then try to lift your legs to the upward direction. Try to hold your legs when you lift your legs. I do 5 set and 10 repetitions. After all this exercises, cool down yourself.